जी हाँ।
Now that the dust has settled, quite literally, on India's landing on the moon, the next question is what now? The Indian Space Research Organization, or ISRO, has announced that the rover on board the lander has rolled out onto the moon's surface. The Chandrayaan 3 rover ramped down from the lander and India took a walk on the moon, ISRO said on X. According to ISRO, now the mission will demonstrate rover roving on the moon and conduct in situ experiments. After successfully landing on the moon's south pole, India's Chandrayaan 3 will now explore an uncharted territory, which is believed to hold frozen water. The spacecraft, which consists of a lander, rover, and propulsion module, is equipped with several instruments that will help carry out a series of in situ scientific experiments on the moon in a single lunar day, which is equal to 14 days on Earth. Once the rover begins to traverse the lunar surface, the six-wheeled Pragyan will leave India's indelible imprint on the moon, as its wheels carry the Indian state emblem of the Sarnath lion and the logo of ISRO. While Vikram and Pragyan have a planned mission life of one lunar day, that is 14 Earth days, there is a possibility that the pair could live longer. ISRO has designed its lander and rover to harness solar power and charge its onboard batteries, but that would be possible only during the lunar day. After a lunar day comes a lunar night, when temperatures drop severely and go well below minus 150 degrees Celsius. If the lander and rover survive the lunar night, it might be possible for them to get revived when the lunar day breaks and solar power is available. The lander has 4 payloads, each with a different objective. The radio anatomy of moon-bound hypersensitive ionosphere and atmosphere, Rambha, onboard the lander will measure the near-surface plasma, ions and electrons density and its changes with time, according to ISRO. The second experiment, Chandra's surface thermophysical experiment, will be tasked with carrying out the measurements of thermal properties of the lunar surface near polar region. The lander's instrument for lunar seismic activity will measure the seismicity around the area where the spacecraft landed. It will also delineate the structure of the lunar crust and mantle. The lander is also equipped with the Laser Retroreflector Array, which is a passive experiment that will understand the dynamics of the moon's system. Chandrayaan 3's rover has 2 instruments, namely the Laser-Induced Breakdown or LIBS and the Alpha Particle X-ray Spectrometer or APXS. LIBS will analyze the mineral and chemical composition of the moon's surface. The APXS experiment, meanwhile, will determine the composition of elements such as magnesium, aluminium, silicon, potassium, calcium, titanium, and iron in the soil and rocks around the landing site on the moon. The propulsion module, which carried the lander and rover to the 100-kilometer lunar orbit, has the spectropolarimetry of habitable planet Earth or SHAPE on board. Its objective is the future discoveries of smaller planets in reflected light that would allow scientists to look at planets that might be habitable.